In this video, I'll guide you through how to add, customize, and remove page content in Squarespace. Whether you're building a brand new website or tweaking an existing one, managing your page content effectively is key to creating a professional and engaging online presence. Let's dive right in and get started. First, ensure you are in edit mode on your Squarespace site. This is where you can make all the changes needed to your page content. Once in edit mode, you'll need to hover your mouse between the existing sections on your page. You'll see an option pop up to add section. This is your gateway to expanding your web page with new content. When you click add section, you're presented with two choices. You can either add a blank section, which gives you complete flexibility to create something unique from scratch, or you can select a pre-made layout. These layouts are quite handy as they come in various styles like gallery or contact, designed to help you quickly add common features to your site. Once you've added a section, you might want to adjust the content to suit your needs. To do this, simply click on any block within the section. You'll notice a pencil icon which allows you to enter the content editing mode. This is where you can change the text, images, or other elements to reflect your site's purpose. For instance, if you're adding a gallery section, you can upload images that best represent your brand or project. There's also an option to link any block to a file. This is particularly useful if you want to attach a document such as a research protocol or a brochure directly to your site, making it easily accessible to your visitors. Customizing doesn't stop at just changing the content. You might also want to tweak the design elements to align with your brand's aesthetics. The pencil icon also lets you adjust the design of the content blocks. You can modify fonts, colors, and spacing, ensuring that every section of your website is cohesive and visually appealing. Now, let's say you've added a section or a block, but later decide it's not needed. Squarespace makes it easy to remove unwanted content. To do this, click on the block you wish to remove. You'll see a trash can icon appear. By clicking this icon, you can delete the entire block, tidying up your web page and ensuring only the most relevant information is displayed. Remember, when you're making these changes, always preview your site to see how it looks to your visitors. This way, you can ensure everything appears just as you intend before publishing any updates. And there you have it, a simple but effective way to add, customize, and remove page content in Squarespace. With these steps, you can keep your website fresh, functional, and tailored to your audience's needs. Happy editing!